I'm Dr. John Demartini. I had the opportunity to meet Mitesh and Indu. I'm Dr. John Demartini. And I had the opportunity to meet Mitesh and Indu, not only online, having the opportunity to be joining them in one of their programs, and meet their community, their literally movement that they have to change the world and to bring and shift the world to a more aware state, a more loving and enlightened state. They have been dedicated to the law of attraction. And the law of attraction is more than first meets the eye from the movie The Secret. It's an entire way of looking at life and dealing with life. And Mitesh and Indu are exceptional, not only coaches, but leaders that make a difference in the people's lives that they touch. I had the opportunity to actually be given the opportunity to do a breakthrough experience for their community. I think there were like 750 or more people there. And I've done the breakthrough experience 1,237 times. And nowhere and in no other time in the last 36 and a half years have I ever seen a more governed group doing the breakthrough experience. And it wasn't because it was just, this group from India, even though that is a factor. The way Mitesh and Indu managed the group, guided the group, and helped them through the processes was astonishing. I actually had an uncertainty how we were going to get 755 people through the breakthrough experience. It was the biggest number I've ever tried to do. But because of his presence, because of his wisdom in the communication and the love to the people, and Indu, the way she oversees, and I don't know if this is the appropriate term, but the way she brings that universal motherhood into the dynamic of the heart and his wisdom, that somehow kept 750 people working, diligent, focused, and inspired. And so I can take a little bit of the credit for making some contribution, but there's no way I would have made that contribution if I hadn't had their skills and their knowledge. I rarely see two individuals, or either one individual, be able to communicate as effectively and clearly and simply in a way that moves people, that helps them take command of their life, bring order, and do what they really love to do and manifest the things that they want to do. When he talks about being a manifester, he really is walking the talk and making a difference and manifesting the two together as a team. I remember we first met when, we met online, but we also got to meet when my ship came into India, and I came off the ship and they took me to this incredible hotel, and they gave me gifts and they took me in this amazing dinner or lunch, I guess you could call it, and there was generosity, there was just caring. The community was organized on the breakthrough experience because of the caring hearts they both have. So I got to see that live. I got to see the impact. I've got to meet and chat with some of the people from the group, and they have amazing respect because their lives have all been impacted and touched by Indu and Mitesh's skills. They're on a mission. That some people are in a job, some people are doing speaking, but there's a difference because when you're speaking from your heart and you walk and you talk, it makes a difference in people's lives, and that's why this community has grown and it leaves its mark, and they're going to leave a legacy because of that. They want to bring, the law of attraction and some of their teachings throughout India and really beyond India, and that is unquestionably emerging because it works. They work, and so all I can say is that the two individuals, Mitesh and Indu, that are sitting here in front of me are unique individuals on the planet as far as dedicated teachers, leaders, inspirers, people helping people manifest. They're manifestors. So I got to have the opportunity to participate doing little modules for their group and also teaching the breakthrough experience. And it's an exceptional group of people, and that's because they're being led by exceptional individuals. So I just want to say thank you, Mitesh and Indu, for the contribution, your books. They've been inspiring, your messages, the way you can articulate and communicate with people, and the way you can guide and lead people and help them master and empower their lives is extraordinary, and it's inspiring. So thank you for being part of my life. Thank you for helping me help other people. And thank you for demonstrating what I teach in real life. So I really appreciate this opportunity to just take a moment or two just to say thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. That was beyond my imagination. Thank you so much. All right. Was that an amazing testimonial? So are you now inspired to learn what is Platinum membership? Whether you want to lose weight or increase weight or heal your body from some sickness, whether you want to attract a life partner or improve your relationship with your life partner right now, whether you want to attract an amazing job or a business or a financial opportunity, anything is possible. Everything is possible in your life, provided you work on upgrading yourself as a person. But what does that really mean? Everybody keeps talking about upgrading yourself as a person. What does that really mean? That's what we teach you in the Platinum membership program. So here is my gift for you. I am giving you the first lesson of Platinum membership completely free. And in this masterclass, I'm going to show you how you can achieve 10 years of success within 1 year as if you are already my Platinum member. So come on, below this video, there's a link to the Platinum membership first lesson masterclass. Click on it, register for it now, put in your first name, last name, and email ID and mobile number. Make sure your email ID is correct. Make sure your mobile number is correct so that you get the right information at the right place, right? And we will send you some very important emails that will get you ready. Yes, you need to even prepare yourself for something this big that is coming in your life. So register now. I will see you in the Platinum membership first lesson masterclass, where I will show you how you can achieve 10 years of success within 1 year.